Want to send invisible ink messages on iMessage? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily send invisible messages on iPhone. Well, you need to start by heading over to your application messages and then move into the inbox of the person that you want to send the invisible text or the message. Once you're in their inbox, here, type in the message that you want to send. Once you've typed the message, now tap and hold the send button. You can see tons of different options: invisible ink, gentle, loud, and slam. You need to choose send with invisible link. Once you have selected this option, once again click on send, and there you go, the message has been sent with the invisible ink. So this is simply how you can send the invisible link message on iPhone iMessage. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.